Hi, how are you? Myself Malik, I'm a mechanical engineer. So today I'm going to explain, we're going to explain how to test cyanide strength and also pH for the gold leaching plant. Because gold leaching plant, pH and cyanide strength is very important. If we don't maintain those strengths and pH, we are going to lose or waste our cycle time and also reagents. We need to maintain certain values in terms of leaching so that we can leach efficient way of our gold. So that is, I'm going to take through with how to do cyanide strength and also pH. For the pH testing, we have two components here. One is litmus paper with having the ranges pH from 1 to 14 pH value. With using this litmus papers, we can test pH, and also the pH meter. This is a sensors which can submerge into the our solution to take a reading. So these are the solutions we took from the this one from wet leaching tank outlet, cyanide with gold solution, and this one from Barren tank or return tank water which we mixing our reagents. So he is now he is going to take us through to test how to do pH testing. Yeah.
For pH testing, we use two methods. You can use a pH meter. You can also use this pH paper. So I want to demonstrate each and every test. Yeah, so I'm going to start with a pH meter. So this is our Barren tank. So I want to read our Barren tank. So as you see, the Barren tank read is
shake.
So as you see, I'm shaking. So our final reading is 11.9. This is also our tank number 3 outlet. So we want to see that. So our final is 10.4.
So whenever we are maintaining in return tank, we always maintain between 10 to 11 pH value, because that is where our gold is going to leach properly. And this one is tank outlet. It is 10.4. It is okay because this is coming from tank outlet, which after gold is our sense eating cyanide, our caustic soda or lime, which is pH value is low. It's okay.
So instead of using pH meter, we can use this litmus paper. So we put it into our Barren tank solution. Then our final reading is also between 12 and 13. Then we put again in the tank outlet. As you see, also between 9 and 10 is our final pH.
Setup. This is a big burette, which is a capacity of 50 mils, and this one is a burette tank, and these are the measuring cylinders, and this is potassium iodide reagent, if you check that. And this is a silver nitrate. This is a more important to test our cyanide strength. Iodide also, which we keep in dark bottle because potassium iodide mustn't expose into the light. Go.
So before we do our titrations, we will make sure that all samples were filtered to remove all dirties in the sample. So we filter our solution first. Like this.
Okay. Go.
So now I want to filter our sample. So this is a clear sample. So now we are taking to our titrations. So we are taking 25 ml of sample to titration.
Yeah, correct.
So as you see, this is our final 25 ml sample. So we are going to titrate.
Go.
So now we want to titrate. So we mark the initial first before we start, then we subtract from the final, then we multiply the our factor 0.04 after titration. So we titrate until the color changes to the lime or milk color. So our initial is 12.8. So we are titrating. So we put 1 to 2 drops of potassium iodide. Our potassium iodide is our indicator that shows us the color change. So we are titrating from our initial
Our initial burette value is burette reading is 12. Then it comes into 13.8 because when we titrating, it is going to reduce, because if you check the from value is from top side 0, downside is 50. So that is why it is coming. And also then after when we deduct it, we are going to multiply by 0.04 factor. Yeah, so that is constant factor. Then when we multiply that, that is coming 0.072 percentage of wet leaching tank outlet. So which is okay, because when wet leaching tank outlet is the sands are eating cyanide, so that is why our value is getting decreasing. So we are now testing Barren tank or return tank. So this is more important thing, because which we need to maintain cyanide concentration. So we added a potassium iodide, then we are titrating, then we are opening silver nitrate, which is the initial value is 13.6. Yeah, then we are opening off now to titrating slowly. if we check after with titration, our cyanide solution is getting milky color. This is the one, this is the color which we want to know our titration. We are going to stop it. So when we do calculation, our initial value is 13.8 minus 17.2 multiplied by factor, so it is coming 0.13. Our current reagents we mixed into 0.13. It is okay. We usually maintaining our leaching tanks, our wet leaching tanks between 0.1 to 0.2, so that to leach clearly, because my words are like I discussed last video, my words are oxide words, so that is why we are maintaining above 0.1 to leach properly. So this is for Barren tank or return tank sinus strength. Yeah, so this is the process which we do for sinus strength and pH for our leaching solutions. This is very important for us to maintain some our concentrations for running our plant with efficient way, and also to recover more gold from the solution, from even sands. So this is what we have, my friends. Thank you very much for supporting us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.